Alright, man, this is gonna get crazy. We got Blizzard Thrasher for its first comparison battle. So we have Blizzard Thrasher 5 expand bounce for its comparison battle. And it's gonna take on Neo Thrasher. This one, I don't know about him. I'm a little scared for this battle, but we're gonna see anyway. So a little comparison battle. So yeah, I'm actually debating if I'm gonna use Chance in the thumbnail with Thrasher, because mainly I do it for Crisis since it's like the beta for the channel. I don't really know. I may put Chance in the thumbnail with a past Chance, maybe. I don't really know. I don't really know what I'm gonna do to the thumbnails with Thrasher with this. I'm probably gonna use Chance, but just put the halo over his head since it's like BU good territory, you know. But yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. I'm kind of scared for this, you know, since Thrasher is the bodyguard of this. Yeah, it's literally shutting it down. Alright. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, Thrasher. Okay. Bounce. Break. Neo break. Dang it. You see exactly why? That's why you charge at full power. That's why I be launching Neo in first. Cause, yeah. And look at that. It's already chipping the paint. It is already chipping the paint. Already. I will call Jacoby after this. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. Come on, Thrasher. Oh my god. It just slammed the hell out of it. Dang, Thrasher didn't even click. Blizzard Thrasher. It didn't even click. Neo break. Blizzard break. Dang it. Wait. I hate that, bro. I really do. Blizzard lost one slope. Okay. There we go. Neo break. Blizzard break. There we go. Oh, look it. Oh my god. You see how Neo Thrasher was dominated. That's why I don't really use Neo Thrasher that much. Because sometimes it just loses battles. That's why I didn't really do a lot of battles with Neo Thrasher. It just loses every battle. It's crazy. Sometimes it puts effort. Sometimes it put effort into bays, but sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, but if Blizzard Thrasher's gonna take it again, I'm gonna call it though. Neo break! Blizzard break! There we go, come on. Oh my god. It just kicked it out! It just kicked it out! How embarrassing is that? Holy freaking crap. Blizzard Thrasher is not playing around. And plus it has that burst stopper, so it's not bursted at all, but like bro, Blizzard Thrasher is insane. And I will be putting it up against Ominous Crisis, don't worry. You know, just gotta get through all the battles. And yes, and I will be making a community tab with Blizzard Blizzard Thrasher. So the community tab is gonna be about what kind of battle styles you want me to do with it. You know, I'm probably gonna use like Super Hyperion and Helios. I will be doing 1v1s with those bays, but probably for Thrasher I'm gonna have a community tab. So yeah, and I'm gonna make it after this video, so you guys can tell me what you guys think about it. You know, anyways, guys, that's gonna do it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure smash comment down below. Let me know if you share, subscribe to epic content. Because I believe you should read that bug. Capture like happening. Best last time it is your boy Kim signing off. See you guys in the next video. I'm awesome and goes. Bye.